versus non-banks, there's a big global component because, of course, non-banks, typically the non-banking world has many currencies in their portfolios. They do have a... So that's one element. I mean, honestly, from my point of view, it also includes what we've seen this year. We've seen the euro appreciate. And that's clearly reflecting a shift in global investor preferences. So that's a very basic example. We also put in later in that paragraph that a more resilient European financial architecture would help to support monetary policy. So again, I think the world would look different with savings investment union, banking union. And I'm not saying from the point of view of monetary policy transmission, a digital euro, but in terms of protecting the monetary autonomy of the euro area, the digital euro, I do think is important for that.
Yeah, I totally agree with what Philippe just said. I would add to it that we have to be just alert to changes that are taking place and will be taking place in the financial sector. And I think that the emergence of new payment mechanisms, and here I'm thinking about some of the most recent development in stablecoins, for instance, will have an impact as well on the financial sector. And to the extent that our monetary transmission is relying heavily on the financial sector, we have to be very attentive to how that is going to restructure the existing channels of transmission that we are used to. It might very well, and we have to be attentive to that.